Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Band 2 and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this device. Before we start, if you want to set up the alarm clock on this smart band, your band needs to be paired with a phone via the Zepp application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue and open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with our smart band. In the application, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon, select your Amazfit Band 2, and now you should see the device page for your band. On this page, find the option called Alarm and tap on it. And here we can set up alarms, turn them on, turn them off, and also remove the alarms. As you can see, we have two pre-existing ones. We can tap on the switch to enable the alarm, like that. We can tap on the alarm itself, I believe, to edit it. Yes. If you tap on it, you will be able to change the time on which it's gonna go off by swiping up and down right here on the hours and minutes. You can also enable or disable the snooze mode by tapping on the switch, and you can also select the days on which the alarm should be active, and you can tap on period right here, and you can select once every day, Monday to Friday, or custom. And if you select custom, you can select specific days like this, and then you can tap on OK. And once you're done, you can tap on save, and that's how you edit the alarm. To add a new alarm, tap on the add alarm right here at the bottom. Basically, it will open the same page as edit. Basically, we can set the time, enable or disable the snooze mode, tap on the period, and we can select when it should be active, then tap on OK, and then tap save. And as you can see, our alarm is added. We can enable it or disable it. And if you want to remove the alarms from the list, tap on the edit button and tap on the minus button next to the alarm. Oh, my bad. Minus button, not on the alarm. Oh, I keep missing it apparently. Oh, come on. Oh, this time I got it. Basically, you tap on the minus button to delete it, and once you're done, tap on done, like this. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.